Hey team! Today we're diving deep into the art of supercharging your productivity. Forget the traditional grind and those endless to-do lists that seem to get longer by the day. We're exploring a fresh perspective on how to streamline your life, focus on what truly matters, and minimize stress along the way. Welcome to our Productivity Masterclass, where we're dissecting the ultimate productivity blueprint. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter and making every moment count. Let's unravel the secrets to transforming your daily grind into a well-oiled productivity machine. Why a productivity blueprint matters. First things first, why do we even need a productivity blueprint? Picture this. You've got dreams, goals, and that one project that's been on your mind forever. The key to bringing those to life without burning out? A solid productivity system. It's about aligning your actions with your ambitions, efficiently tackling tasks, and making room for what fulfills you, all while keeping your sanity intact. Think of it as creating a personalized roadmap that navigates you through the chaos of daily life to your very own version of success. Understanding task types. Let's break down our tasks into 3 categories, each requiring a unique approach. First, we have the tasks our brains love: creativity, connections, and living in the moment. These are the tasks we want to embrace fully. Then there's the middle ground, tasks our brains handle but could be streamlined, like managing emails and schedules. Finally, there are tasks screaming for a system, like remembering birthdays or storing endless bits of info. Recognizing which tasks fall into which category is the first step in freeing your brain for the good stuff. Building your system, the 3 tiers. Our blueprint is structured in 3 progressive tiers. Let's call them the foundational, advanced, and elite tiers. Starting with the foundational tier, it's all about managing the basics: your calendar, task lists, and those pesky emails. This is where you set the stage for a clutter-free mind. Moving on to the advanced tier, this is for those who thirst for knowledge and constantly find themselves buried in books, articles, and podcasts. Here we focus on capturing insights and keeping those gems of wisdom close at hand. Finally, the elite tier takes it up a notch, blending creativity with productivity. It's about connecting dots, finding patterns, and turning all that accumulated knowledge into innovative ideas. This tier is where your productivity system becomes not just a tool, but a partner in your creative endeavors. Tier 1, the foundation: calendar, email, and tasks. Starting with our calendar, it's surprising how many folks navigate life without one. Utilizing a digital calendar can revolutionize how you view your time, making sure you're not just busy, but productive and intentional. Next up, mastering your inbox to ensure it serves you, not the other way around. Techniques like one touch to inbox zero can be game changers. And for task management, having a reliable system ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Whether it's a sophisticated app or a simple notepad, what matters is that it works for you. Tier 2, the advanced knowledge management. In the advanced tier, we're all about absorbing and retaining knowledge. Leveraging tools like the Kindle app or Read It Later apps ensures that learning never interrupts your flow. And with note-taking apps, every insight or fleeting thought is captured and ready to be revisited whenever inspiration strikes. Tier 3, the elite, creativity through connectivity. The elite tier is where magic happens. By organizing and linking your thoughts and insights, you create a dynamic ecosystem of ideas. Tools like Roam Research or Obsidian can act as your second brain, not just storing information, but making it live, breathe, and evolve. This is where your productivity system transitions from being a tracker of tasks to a catalyst for innovation. In conclusion, crafting your ultimate productivity blueprint isn't about overhauling your life overnight. It's a journey of fine-tuning how you work, learn, and think. By strategically categorizing tasks and progressively building your system, you're not just chasing productivity, you're redefining what it means to be productive. Thanks for joining me in this deep dive. If you're ready to elevate your productivity game, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into mastering your life. Here's to transforming our aspirations into achievements, one tier at a time. See you in the next adventure.